Making garlic sesame rice flat noodle for school lunch. In a hot pan with oil, I sauté minced garlic until it's golden brown. Keep stirring until you get the right golden brown color. When you see the color is right, pull them all out and set aside. Then put in the pre-seasoned with salt, brown pepper, and roasted sesame oil minced chicken. I didn't have minced chicken, so I have to chop up a chicken tender until it's minced. Keep stirring to cook. Then add the flat rice noodles. Toast them together well to mix. Then add liquid seasoning, then sweet soy sauce. Mix well. Then add the spring onion and garlic that was set aside earlier. Add roasted sesame oil towards the end for sesame flavor on this dish. Mix well. School lunch is done. Thanks for watching. Follow along for more cooking kicks.